Hello and welcome to my channel. I've been creating free small businesses for 45 years, and I have created this business just for you. Today, I will show you how to make $50 to $150 daily with cowboy boots. This is a very easy and very profitable business. You will buy high-quality, US-made cowboy boots for $1 up to $10 per pair and sell them for $50 to $150 per pair. Cowboy boots are so easy to sell. I've sold countless pairs of boots. People love them. So let's get started. Every week, you will go to as many garage sales, yard sales, estate sales, flea markets, thrift stores, secondhand stores, and auctions as possible. You'll go to as many as you can every week. You will buy all the boots you can find, and you will pay as little as possible for them. And you will be amazed at the beautiful, high-quality cowboy boots you can buy for just a few dollars. And you will also buy highly desirable, well-worn cowboy boots that are also in demand. Now, to increase your profits, you will normally buy boots that are $10 or less. $5 per pair should be your goal. Now, in the beginning, do not pay more than $10 for a pair of boots. Common quality boots can resell for $50 to $150 per pair, and a lot more, of course. The boots you buy do not need to be fancy. They just need to look nice, and even well-worn boots can look nice and sell for big money. So do a basic inspection of the boots before you buy them. Make sure that the heels aren't totally worn or damaged and that the soles aren't separating. Let me show you. So here's an example of a good, high quality used boot. And of course, I have two of them. So you want to check to make sure that the heels are good. And the soles, you want to make sure that they're not separated. And you want to make sure that the boots don't have any tears in them. And that's basically what your inspection should be of every pair of boots before you buy them. So make sure the overall condition is decent, even the ones that people like to buy with a well-worn look. If they are dusty or dirty, brush them off or wipe them off with a damp cloth before you sell them. You can start selling boots from day one, starting today, and be making 500% profit per pair from the get-go. Now, once you have an inventory of 50 pairs or more, you may be selling one or more pairs per day and making $250 to $500 per week. So you'll sell your boots locally on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, and also at your local flea market or farmer's market or street fair, wherever you prefer. You will also sell your boots on eBay or any online forum that works best for you. Now, regardless of where or how you sell your boots, clear photos are really important. Don't be taking blurry photos and putting them online. It's just not good. Take at least 3 views, front, back, side. Now, in your ads, be sure to state the size, whether they're male or female, the brand, and color or colors. At the flea market, Be sure to display them nicely, standing upright, not on the ground, not mixed in with other stuff or junk, or in a pile or in a box. Place them on a table with a nice tablecloth. Tag or label them with a price and size. And have a chair for your buyers to sit on while they put on the boots. You want them to be comfortable. You don't want them trying to do a balancing act, standing on one leg like a flamingo trying to put on the boots. It's not a good thing. You'll have people literally falling in front of you. Now, if you're selling from home, set up a simple table and chair outside your home, never inside your home, for your buyer to try them on and even to walk around. Always have your boots priced with a tag. Then your customers will know that you are not manipulating the prices. You know, they might think that you think they're rich or something, and so you jack up the price. Well, you don't want that to happen. So you always have a price tag on them so that they know the price is the same regardless of who you are or how wealthy or poor you look. And you will not have to store the prices in your head and risk getting mixed up when people, especially if you have more than one person, say at your table at the flea market, and they're all asking you the same question, how much is this? You don't want that to happen. You want the boot to have the price right on it, the size right on it, so they can look at it without having to ask you these redundant questions with a bunch of other people asking the same question. I also like to roll up or crunch up paper to put inside the boots to improve their look when I display them, whether that be in photos for online sales or on a table at the flea market. The paper just gives them shape, helps them stand up properly and look their best. When selling directly to your buyers, like at the flea market or from home, always have plenty of 5s and 10s to easily make change for a $20 bill or $50 bill or a $100 bill, whatever your customer hands out to you. You don't want your buyer to have to run to the store or the bank to get the correct amount. So always have appropriate change on hand. Not a bunch of extra money, but just enough change so that you can give them change back for their $20 or $50 or $100 bill. When selling online, like on eBay, see how much your competition is pricing their boots for and price your boots accordingly. But don't be crazy. Just experiment and see what works best. Now, when selling on Craigslist or a Facebook Marketplace, price your boots comparable to eBay prices or a little less. Experiment a little up and down with your prices. And then be firm with your prices. Do not accept lowball offers for your quality boots. I get low offers occasionally. And so what I do is I say, oh, thank you for the offer, but I need to get XXX amount for them. It works and no clarification is needed. They knew what the price was before they came and they knew how much money they needed to bring. So don't fall for their low offer tactics. Just be prepared for it to happen. So there you go. An easy, fun, and very profitable way to make money. Please like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. And be sure to check out my other free small business videos and short-term, non-stock consumer product investment videos on YouTube at Honest Johns at Free Small Business. See you on my next video.